Welcome to your Black Minnesota History Assessment. So on page 1, you will see that you have a Black Minnesota History timeline. Directions: please choose one event or topic from each color era below. One red, one orange, and one yellow. Circle them. So 1860s and before, how Minnesota profited from slavery, Eliza Winston becomes free, or Minnesota takes Confederate flag from Virginia and keeps it. Choose one and circle it. Orange goes from the 1910s all the way up to the 70s and includes the Great Migration, the lynchings in Duluth, redlining, Rondo was destroyed, Roy Wilkins chaired the NAACP, and the UMN protest. Choose one that you know well, and then go over to the 2020s, select either BLM and George Floyd or the Chauvin trial. If you want, you can do both. Then go to the second page. It says Black Minnesota History Assessment. Directions: please use your red, orange, and yellow events or topics from the timeline on the first page to write a paragraph that fully describes and analyzes the events and impacts of each and connects each event topic together to tell the full story of Black history in Minnesota. Your paragraph goes here. Add extra pages if you need more space. So for example, I might choose to use Eliza Winston becomes free as my first event, then the lynchings in Duluth as my second, and finally the Chauvin trial as my third. I would then write about those three things and connect them all together in this paragraph. When you're done, yay, Dropbox sooner for feedback. Then you can revise and resubmit if you like at MNS Black Minnesota History Assessment. Now, if you really want to know how you're going to be graded, stick around for this rubric. If you want 4 out of 4 on every category to earn 12 out of 12 points, you will want to fully describe and analyze the events and impacts of how Minnesota profited from slavery, Eliza Winston's freedom, or Minnesota's ownership of Virginia's Confederate flag, and connect it to other events in Minnesota's past and present. You would need to do the same thing for the orange event, which is the one that includes Great Migration, the lynchings in Duluth, redlining, etc., and the yellow event, BLM, George Floyd, Chauvin trial. So, good luck. Can't wait to see what you come up with.